Yeah, that's it. The sun has just get down there, and we also going out from here now. That you just let you go. Why do I? Yeah, we didn't go to see Chef Alessandro on the little beach. Yeah, you know, I have last year I have my license to do fishing, but that expires already because last time I bought a fishing license for a year, but yeah, I just used that for one time and it expires already. It's alright, it's just around $30. Or if you see that couple, they stopped before in my place there, and they talked to me about this bike. Oh, it's almost coming back to normal. As you can see, this playground is open already. It was closed before. Yeah, I still wanted to be singing while driving. That's why we are going here. I don't want to go home yet. I want to sing more. Feeling like a fool. It's breaking all the rules. And if you can see all these cars, yeah, the owner of these cars, they are all fishing. I can see one in there. Oh, maybe this restaurant is also open because you know, independent restaurant they are already allowed to open, but the hotels not yet allowed because hotels has more people, and if I'm not mistaken, only 10 people are allowed to be gathered together. Yeah, all of them are fishermen. I mean, they are fishing with the fishing rod. We're just going to have a quick look to them. Yeah, you can see a lot of kids fishing, also lovers. Nice. Oh, look at that. This restaurant, they are open already. Yeah. I don't know about, I think the hotel, this one is a hotel, not yet open. There is like a police car in that side. We're going to see that. I hope there's nothing bad. Oh, I think it is just a car. But I don't know why they need to do the light like that. Oh yeah, also the Chinese restaurant. It is also open already. Nice. Oh, they just stopped one car. And now they are doing some investigation. I don't know. What do you thinking of? What do you thinking of? Good morning, guys. It is going to be another beautiful day. As you can see outside, it's like that. Yeah, the time now is, yeah, it's 6:35, and I've been awake since 5:30. 5:30 was still dark, as you can see. Oh, messy. I will organize that later. Eh, yeah, I'm thinking of making a vlogging table, vlogging studio. So I'm going to rearrange this bed, the setup of this room. Oh, yeah, today I want to finish all the editing, and then yeah, I'm going to create many contents. Yeah, that's just my plan, but I hope I'm not going to be lazy. I just finished the coffee already 2 hours ago. I'm going to prepare my breakfast. I'm going to cook rice. Oh, yesterday I go out and I forgot to buy rice. This will be the last. Oh, what is that bird? It's limokon? Yeah, sounds that bird is called limokon. Kukuru, kukuru. Yeah, can you hear that? Okay. And then laundry. I need to put my laundry. Oh no, I'm not going to wash that. Not today. Should I wash this now? Yeah, I wash it now. This much I have. Yo, oh, it's look at that. Maybe I put too much water. No, this is our what I'm going to eat today. A little is malay. No, it's not. Yeah, if you don't know, I was when I was young, I eat just rice, use oil like this, and then soy sauce. Delicious. Yeah, because we don't have money to buy food, so we always have oil. We always have soy sauce. We always have rice. Those are the basic of the things we have in the house. But we eat a lot of vegetable because in the backyard of our house, my mother is always planting, harvesting vegetable in there. There is okra, there is a sweet potato. Yeah, we have that, all those vegetable, and bok choy, eggplant. There are so many. Yeah, nice. And sometimes we are selling those vegetable like eggplant. My mother harvest the eggplant and I sold it on the street. Was a good experience. I was really shy during the time to do that, but my mom is pushing me to sell those, and was a good experience really. My parents doesn't have money, but yeah, we have resources like the base, yeah, the what is that? Yeah, my parents, they don't have money, but we have resources. Yeah, like the farming. And my parents' source of income is the copra. If you know the coconut, so they are harvesting all the coconut down, and then yeah, that's how they make money. And that is basically what we spend for daily life. And when it comes to education, in the Philippines we have pre-education. Yeah, we spend a little money for some projects, but we study is pre in the Philippines. That's it. There is my breakfast. I will order. I will clean that. It's already 10:25. I already finished my laundry. It's outside. I didn't wash this because I'm going to wear that later on when I'm watching TV, when I'm watching news. And I'm now preparing my second coffee for the day. Like this is good when when you are not working, when there's no job, when nothing really comes perfect. Yeah, we don't have work, but there's no freedom to go outside. Yeah, going outside there will be some worrying. Yeah, nothing really comes perfect. So the best thing to do is be happy for what you can, how much you can. I don't know how to say that, but enjoy what we have. Yeah, most of the restaurant outside, they are already open. I've shown to you yesterday, but there is still a travel ban, so most of the hotels are still closed. And so yeah, our hotel is also still closed. It's okay, the same temperature, not very cold, like